Now let us take this question. Sum of two consecutive odd number is 8. So there are so many words here which having the different meaning. किसी भी word problem को solve करने के लिए ये बहुत ज़रूरी है कि word problem को हम लोग बार बार पढ़ें और उसे टुकड़ों में बांट लें. जैसे यहाँ पर देखेंगे हम लोग, so it is written as sum of two consecutive odd numbers. This is the one word which we can start with. Two consecutive odd number, then is another word separate we are supposed to take, and 8 is another number. Find the number is the solution of the question. Now we will start with the first problem, first basic thing. Two consecutive odd numbers. Here we are unable to identify the first number. So what we are going to do, first we are going to focus how to identify the first odd number. Since this is unknown, so we are going to take it as a x. So let the first odd number is x. And since we know the property of the odd number, the property of odd number means the difference between the two consecutive odd number. We are definitely understand this in our previous section. The difference between the two odd number is always 2. तो 1 और 3 के बीच में जो गैप है वो 2 है. 3 and 5 the gap is 2. 5 and 7 the gap is again 2. So if we are considering x as a first number, definitely the second number would be 2 more than the first number. Second number is equals to x plus 2. Now we got the word two consecutive odd number. इसको आप ऐसा भी समझ सकते हैं कि इंग्लिश को आपने मैथ में ट्रांसलेट कर दिया. You have translated the English word into the math word. Now you have the translation of two consecutive odd number is x and x plus 2. Now move to the next word. Sum of. किसका sum करना है भाई? दो consecutive odd numbers का. So we have the two consecutive odd number. The first is x and the second is x plus 2. इन दोनों का क्या करना है? We are supposed to add. And when we are adding, each means equals to, and the value we are getting 8. So now the whole sentence of the given question is translated into algebraic form. इंग्लिश का जो पूरा का पूरा क्वेश्चन था हम लोगों ने ट्रांसलेट कर दिया मैथमेटिकल एक्सप्रेशन में. दिस इज वेरी वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. if you are unable to translate the sentences in the form of mathematical expression, you are unable to solve the mathematics word problem. That is, be very clear. X, now we will do the algebraic expression. Simply x plus 2 is equals to 8. These two are the like terms, so we are going to add 2x and 2 is equals to 8. 2 will be transposed from left to right side, so 2x is equals to 8 minus 2, 2x is equals to 6. Further we will find the value of x, 6 by 2, which is 3. Now here we must see that 3 is the first odd number. Here it is written 3 is the first odd number. So what would be the second odd number, second consecutive odd number? So from here we will take it, second number is equals to 3 plus 2, as we have given taken as a x plus 2. Remember it, आप माइनस भी ले सकते हैं प्लस भी ले सकते हैं, बट ट्राई टू स्टिक विथ ओनली वन कॉन्सेप्ट कि चलो भाई प्लस ले रहे हैं तो हमेशा प्लस लेंगे, माइनस ले रहे हैं तो हमेशा माइनस लेंगे. हियर वी हैव चूजन एज अ प्लस, सो वी हैव टेकन प्लस. सो 3 plus 2 5. So the two consecutive odd number whose sum are 8 is 3 plus 5.